this is Ina, this is innichkachef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making Nutella, guilt-free Nutella. Good for you, healthy one, and it's so delicious. The ingredients we need, the stuff, Nutella, of course, it's hazelnut. I love hazelnuts. I grew up eating hazelnuts and walnuts. That's the only nuts I ate when I was a child. I love it. So we need hazelnuts, and I bought them raw, unroasted, and we're going to roast together. But prior to that, I always do is all my nuts, soak them, and then dehydrate them back. So it's up to you to do this step, but it's better for your body to absorb nuts, seeds, or beans that way, or grains. So that's how I'm doing, but it's totally optional step. For the sweetness, I'm using dates, also a little bit of maple syrup, vanilla for the flavor, and to highlight more chocolatey taste, I always add salt. So a little bit of salt. Every chocolate dessert always tastes better if you add a little bit of salt. And for the cocoa, I use Dutch unprocessed. It's very dark and I like flavor. But you are welcome to use any cocoa you have on hand. Let's do it. And one more, almost forgot. Coconut oil, melted. And after roasting just a few minutes on dry pan, you kind of try to rub around kitchen towels to remove all skin, but if it's not all removed, don't worry, it's not the biggest of deal. Nice and thick paste, and I like to add a few tablespoons of hot water, about 2-3 tablespoons, but hot, it has to be hot water. So we'll start with 2 and increase as we need it. And as you see, it's nice, rich, dark. I like very dark, but if it doesn't suit you this color, you can use any different kind of cocoa. I use Dutch, that's why it's so dark and deep flavor. And it's thick. If you prefer more on thinner side, you can add more water, but I like thick, I like paste, so kids can apply it on their sandwich bread, or I like to eat with crepes actually. And I have recipe for my crepes. It's the best and the easiest crepe ever. Always works, it's so easy, and I always have on hand in my refrigerator, so what I need to do, just put the crepes, and I like to eat with bananas as well. Just a little bit apply of Nutella. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite way to eat slices of banana. And it's time to taste. Super quick, super easy, and you can keep in the refrigerator on hand. Usually when kids come after school, that's special treats for them. I don't give them every day, but they love it. Delicious. Good for breakfast. Can be as a dessert or afternoon snack, or whichever time you like. It's easy, quick, doesn't have any processed sugar or any other harmful ingredients like coconut, palm oil, or anything else. It's very clean ingredients, and I hope you will make this recipe soon. And as always, recipe in description below, and similar related healthy snack and desserts in my description below. Also give me a like and subscribe. Before we end this video, I want to see what we're going to make next time. Stuffed peppers. Bye, see you next time.